Got a Dodge 1997 pickup truck in the shop, and the shifting was not happening. When you'd press the gas, it would act like the e-brake is on or the brakes are on. It'd have no power. So I looked inside the hood of the truck. I had seen some wires here. There's cables here for the throttle. And there's one that was frayed, and I thought that was just for cruise control maybe. And I thought it's okay if it's not working. So then I realized it goes to the transmission, and it was not able to move back and forth. Here's some of the frayed cable. This side goes to the transmission. So I've got a new cable, and that will allow the transmission to actually shift when it's telling it to. Goes up into the transmission. The other issue with this truck is the PCM is having some type of short, which can cause different problems such as the speedometer, the RPMs, and lights, other stuff like that, alternator. It can cause all those things to not function. So that'll have to be taken off next. And the other thing with this truck is the oil leaking pretty bad out of the front cover here and the oil pan, pretty much all the seals. But that was the problem with no power to the transmission on this Dodge diesel pickup truck.